मुंबई महाआघाडीचो प्लान जाल्या उपरांत आता गोंयांत एक राजकीय खुटे हालोवन पळोवप चल्ला। कांय जाणांक फुटबॉलाक पयसो मेळटा आसतलो, स्वताची कामां सादोवंक राती विधीचे महालक्ष्मी बंगल्यार दिसतात म्हूण चर्चिलाचे सरकारी कनेक्शन विजयान वयर काडले।
It is not our intention to topple someone or to have an alternate dispensation in a hurry. But at the same time, Pramod Sawant is involved in financial mismanagement. All these 10 people who have gone there, including the ministers, are unhappy because he is not able to provide money for their ambitious schemes and ambitious plans. This is creating some sort of dissension within. 1,950 crores has been taken as a loan by him after he has become chief minister. Where it has reached, people who are praising him, people cannot complete that road, that Kolova road. What are they talking? They must have got some money for their football, that's all. What has happened to the public? Where has the public benefited? Can he show any development now in his tenure? And these people who are officially in the opposition but indirectly with the government, who visit Mahalakshmi in the afternoon or in the night, go there for their own purposes. They are not going for development.
सावंत सरकार वडप सोंपें ना म्हूण खंय काँग्रेसीच्या गिरीशानूच कबुली दिल्ली। गिरीशाचो प्रदेश अध्यक्षाचो अरेंजमेंट खंय टेम्पररी, ताका कोताक धरपाचो ना।
But why should the Congress blood pressure rise? Why are they going out of the way to defend the Goa chief minister? That no, his government is safe. So have they got a contract to defend this present government? See, we are not here to defend the government, and we are not here to stabilize this government also. Girish Chodankar is a man who has resigned as a PCC president, and his resignation is pending acceptance. With such type of a temporary arrangement, I don't discuss with somebody who is more responsible. And after all, Girish Chodankar's relationship with me is well known. The only time I made him councillor, after which he has not been able to win any election. So तेन्नाच्यान जिरकून आहा तो 1995 मरते।
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावियर डायस।